It's such a calming feeling to get into honeybee colonies. I'm learning something new every single day. And it's really cool to seeing, 20,000 bees kind of work together in this perfect society. My name is Garett Slater. I am an assistant professor and honeybee extension specialist for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. So for the state of Texas, there's quite a few beekeepers across the entire state. Not only small-scale beekeepers, the people that have just a few colonies for a hobby or an egg exemption, but even the large commercial beekeepers that ship somewhere between 1 million colonies to East Texas. And so there's a lot of beekeepers here in the state of Texas. One of the biggest issues are these massive colony losses. And so, this year, beekeepers are experiencing probably the highest colony losses we've ever experienced, somewhere between 65 to 70%. At AgriLife, we have a lot of really great resources for beekeepers. This is a brand new program. We have program specialists in Dallas, Fort Worth, and Houston, and our goal is really to support beekeepers across the entire state of Texas. So we have the Texas Master Beekeeping Program, which is really aimed to educating new beekeepers. We're doing a lot of really great applied research to help support colony health and help beekeepers across the state. I think the future is breeding, and so beekeepers are experiencing these high losses for the past 20-25 years, and we're getting to a point of inflection where we really need to invest more into breeding. We need bees that are resistant to the varroa destructor mites. We need bees that are resistant to viruses, and with my program, our big initiative is to push breeding and try to have bees that we can treat less, that are better able to manage the viruses and the varroa, and are more importantly be more productive.